Good morning, my dear students. I am Priyanka, your new teacher of social science. I hope you all are in good state of health. Today, we'll discuss on the topic environmental pollution. First of all, we'll start the topic with few images where you have to choose one. Suppose you brought a glass of water to drink and suddenly your sibling came and put some colors in the water. So will that be drinkable anymore? I hope your answer is no, because only the clean water is we people are able to drink. So next, if you want to relax your mind, what type of environment you prefer? The environment with good landscape, calm around you, or the environment full of horns, noise, traffic and all. I hope your answer will be the calm environment. There you can relax your mind. So today's our topic is related to that only. What is environment? Environment consists of some elements that are called air, land, water, plants and animals. So these are the conditions which fulfill our requirement of environment. Environmental pollution. As I told you the definition of environment, let's revise again. The condition in which we live, work, etc. is called environment. That means your surroundings that you are living in. Our environment consists of living and non-living things like air, water, land, plants, animals and humans. Now, one major issue or the greatest threat to our environment is human. How? Can you imagine that? Let's discuss on that. How human is the greatest threat to our environment. So you might have seen these logs. These are due to deforestation. Deforestation means cutting of trees. So humans are cutting trees to fulfill their luxuries, their comforts. Now, most of the industries producing smoke, which consists of many harmful gases that are mixing in our air where we breathe in. Some of the chemicals are coming out from the industries and they are mixing in our water resources that are polluting our water. And most of the using of plastic and garbage that polluting our land. So these are the things which are causing harm to our environment. So this is called environmental pollution. What is pollution? The harm caused to the environment is called pollution. So these were the activities which causing harm to our environment. So this is why these are responsible for the pollution in our environment. Now the types of pollution. How many types of pollutions are there? First of all, the harm caused to our air is called air pollution. Number one, that is air pollution, water pollution, land or soil pollution, noise pollution. Let's discuss air pollution first of all. What is air pollution? The mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke and other particles in the air is known as air pollution. The presence of unwanted harmful substances in the air is termed as air pollution. Any additional gases, dust, particles, if they mixed up with the air, that means the air is polluted and it is very harmful to breathe in that polluted air. Now let's discuss the effects of air pollution on our health. It causes many of the diseases to our health. First of all, it can cause respiratory problems like asthma too. Long-term injuries to lungs, cancer, infection in eyes and nose too. Even death can be caused by the breathing in polluted air. This is how we can define that breathing in polluted air can affect our health in a large extent. So let's discuss now the causes for air pollution. What are the reasons of our air pollution? The first reason is landstorms, volcanic eruptions, forest fires, and pollen from plants and flowers. These are the natural causes of air pollution. In sandstorms, when sand mixed up with the air, it can harm our lungs when we breathe that air into our lungs. Volcanic eruption. So these all are the causes or the conditions which can cause respiratory diseases. Smoke from factories, vehicles, burning of fuels and firecrackers are human-made factors that pollute the air around us. So students, you learned the two factors which pollute our air. Some are natural factors and some are human-made factors which causes the air pollution. So when natural substances or when these pollutants combine with natural substances, it looks like cloud and makes the air hazy. For example, when smoke mixed up with fog, it creates smog, and when we breathe in smoke, it can cause many lung diseases or respiratory diseases. So these polluted air can harm plants too. So I hope you understood whatever we have done in the previous, in this chapter, in this discussions. So here is some task that you have to perform. I'm giving you some questions. You have to solve them. You have to write answer for them, and I'll send you the answer key afterwards. So first question is, how can you define environment? Second one, what do you mean by pollution? Third, Mention all types of pollution. What does our environment consist of? Define air pollution and mention two causes for air pollution. So here was the lecture, first lecture of this chapter. So we'll be right back with our next lecture with the same chapter tomorrow. So alright students, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe and keep learning.